Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So many a times I have seen that people are confused when they are starting their automation career. They are not sure that which is the language they need to learn first so that they can grow in their career. So today I will talk about the three automation tools which are needed for beginners. So I am telling this as per the experience which I have. So I have around 15 years of experience and I have worked on many technologies and tools, but these are the three automation tools which every beginner should know if they want to start their career. So let's begin with at number three, I would say Rest Assured. So Rest Assured is a framework through which you can automate the APIs. So it has many advantages when we are using Rest Assured for the API testing. Because if you see that I have written that it removes the need for writing lot of boilerplate code required to set up an HTTP connection. So basic coding which is required for any API testing. For example, if you're working on Java, you need to write some code on the basis of the HTTP client library. These code you don't need to write when you are using REST assured. So those are around 8 to 9 lines of code, but that has already been coded in REST assured library. You can directly use this library into your Java code and you can create your programs and you can create your scripts for testing API. And second thing, that because REST assured is also Java library, we can integrate it with the continuous integration and continuous delivery. Okay, and because it is written in Java, all the codes you can integrate into your one of the framework which you are using. So you don't have to spend money on creating a different frameworks for testing a API. Whatever framework you have, you can integrate this REST assured libraries into your existing framework. So that saves a lot of cost which is associated with the project. Third, and it also supports given when then. So if you have ever worked or maybe you have heard about that, so given when then is a Gherkin's language through which we can tell the test cases on the basis of the behavior, which is called behavior driven development. So that syntax is also possible in a REST assured. So this is one of the good language which you should learn as a beginner. Okay. At number two, I would say is the APM. So APM is a tool through which you can automate the mobile. All the testing which you do on mobile can be done on APM. The advantages are that once you write a code in APM, you don't have to make any changes into your existing application, into the Android application or the iOS application. You don't have to modify it in order to test it. Okay, and APM is a cross platform, so it allow you to test against a multiple platform. Like for example, if you have written some code, so that will work on the iOS also and that will work on Android or Windows also. You don't have to create different programs when you're working with the APM. So that's the best part. And APM supports the automation of the native app, of the hybrid app, and the mobile web application, and even nowadays desktop applications. Okay, so native can automate all these things. So native apps are basically the application or the apps which you have on your phone. Hybrid app are something which are app, but there are some part which is also connecting to the web, and there is a web browser which get opened up basically into your application. Okay, and beside that there's a mobile web application, the Chrome browser which you see in your phone. So that is mobile, and that's also supporting web and some desktop applications. For example, you have seen nowadays in OS they provide certain kind of application itself in your desktop. So those kinds of things also can be automated using APM. Okay, so number one, as I think most of you already know, that at number one, Selenium is still the most demanding language in the automation world. So this is something which you should always learn by heart if you are trying to clear any interview regarding of the Selenium or any automation. But Selenium is something which you should know to call yourself as an automation engineer. Okay, it is one of the most popular app tool which is available right now for automating the web applications. Okay, and it is also cross platform and cross browser, and support a wide range of languages. So even if you know Java or Python, doesn't matter, Selenium is there for you, and you can use Selenium and you can code Selenium. You can create automation scripts on the basis of Selenium on different languages. And it is highly extensible through a wide range of libraries, because Selenium is something which gets integrated to almost all the tools which are available right now in market. So Selenium is something which you should always learn if you want to grow as a career in the automation field. Alright, so these are the 3 languages which is, as per my experience, are the best, and if you think that there are some languages which is still required for beginners, let me know in the description section. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.